name is Andrew Belko from Concordia Supply, and I'm going to do an unboxing of one of the metal hand sanitizer dispenser stands. So that's open. Okay, so here we have our box where we'll put our hand sanitizer. Here we have our main, looks like a telescopic pole. We do have some instructions, and then our base. So let's put this together real quick. So we have our base down here, and as you can see, one side of this is the top. It has a screw already in there, and the bottom has a hole down here, and on the base there is a screw down here which we'll take off, and we'll slide this and kind of connect these holes like that, and then screw the screw back in. I'll swing this over forward, and just so it's a little easier for me to work with, I'm going to telescope this up a little bit so I'm not bending over, but not too high. And you can see I'm able to do all this by hand. It's all nicely packaged. Okay, and now I just grab the hand sanitizer stand. So I got my screwdriver. Maybe I can get a little closer. And now it's screwing through this side. I guess I'll just hand screw it. If you have a drill, definitely faster, but absolutely not required for this. Okay, tighten that on. And then you can lift it up and down to whatever height you want. And also you can notice that this will be able to kind of squeeze your bottle so that it doesn't get lost. So let me find a bottle of sanitizer and show you how it works. So we have a smaller size here, which will work. And you can see screwing this in. Okay, and that'll just kind of secure it a little bit there. So when I want to get some hand sanitizer, I'm good. And we're really not touching anything. And it does have a pretty nice slick design. Now I realize I should have done the bigger bottle first. This would probably be the ideal size for this stand. Nice big bottle at the entrance of your church, going into each classroom. And you can kind of tighten that however, and it gets pretty tight in there. You can see I can actually lift the whole stand just with that, by tightening that. We got some pretty good height here. I mean, with this heavy bottle, yeah, it's still pretty sturdy. If you're extremely tall, want to keep it away from the kids maybe, I don't know. And then it can also have a kids version. We can get pretty low here for your little kiddos. And that is the simple assembly of this item. Pray that this will keep you sanitized and ready to worship God. So God bless.